I've never known one. What do they do? We've all heard the legends, but can they be true? My cousin's best friend's boyfriend once nearly cooked a meal. So is a good man real? Does he try to remember what his old lady said when he sleeps in on Tuesdays? Does he straighten the bed once he's had 3